What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while, but yeah, I'm still alive, still doing well. I've been busy, trying to obtain my own shop. I am very appreciative to Frontline Finishing, Steven, for letting me start the Datsun build over there. Super grateful for my dad to let me, transfer the Datsun up to his shop and take up his space for over a year. Yeah, it's been way too long. But I'm happy to announce I got my own shop. So, do y'all want to see it? Are y'all ready? Here we go. All right. So here is the new shop. It's only got space for 2 cars. Some of y'all might just consider this to be a garage on the count that it came with the house attached to it. Yeah, your boy is a homeowner now. This is my first house, but this is definitely going to be my shop. I'm going to rip everything off the walls and basically do a bunch of drywall work. There's the attic access. Needs the ceiling to be scraped because it's got popcorn on it. But yeah, I bought a house. That's why I've been gone for so long. A lot's actually happened. This is my new daily driver. So an E46. It's actually a C, what is it, a 330C? Yep, 330CI. And then, yeah, I've got a problem, guys. I bought this from someone on OfferUp, and yeah, just more projects to add to the list. The Datsun is gonna go in here after I get everything kind of cleaned out, which I'm about to do right now. But I'm super excited, guys. Like, I really appreciate all y'all's support by subscribing and commenting and liking these videos. I mean, I'm not getting paid for any of this yet, but maybe one day in the future. But just to kind of give you an overview, both the garage doors are pretty shot, so I need to have those looked at. But overall, the floors are in pretty decent shape. There's definitely some cracks that I'm going to fill in, and I'm probably going to epoxy the floors, rip everything off the walls, paint those, do some drywall work. Yeah, scrape that popcorn off, and yeah, so let's get started. I put it on top of the car. So we use the gator to pull through the trailer to get this guy on there, and man, this thing looks sick. Oh, I'm so pumped. Look how low and clean it looks. Wow. New 8-foot all aluminum ramps did the job. So she's ready to pull down to Fort Worth, Texas. Alright guys, so we got the hood on just because it's easier to transport it, and this is, let's see if it's gonna close. It looks like it might. No way. How much room do we have? Oh yeah. Just barely clears. Wow. Excellent. Well guys, we got it all loaded up. So we're headed to Texas. Man, it's freezing. It's like 27 degrees outside. I'm not digging it, but we are good to go. Here we go. Yep, we're good. Yep, keep coming, you're good. You're good. Yep, keep coming, cut it, straighten it out, and start turning it in. Yep. Keep it going, you're good, you're good, you're good. Keep on coming, you're good on the bumper, you're good everywhere, you're good. Yeah, straighten it out, kind of turn it in. Yep, keep turning it, yep, yep. Yep, just a little bit more, come on. That's probably good right there. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. So definitely looks rougher without everything in here. I'm probably gonna leave both these lights in just because they work for now, and we'll start scraping off all this popcorn probably in the next video. But here's their laundry list of things to do to the house. I guess I had an S10, Tacoma, an Xterra, Honda Fit, a Scion TC, tons of projects. So that's all from the previous owner. Yeah, super stoked. Y'all have a good one. Peace.